Welcome to CAMWorks Tips and Tricks. My name is Paul Ludwig, and this video is going to cover using another part or configuration for stock. This is commonly used when you're doing casting and forgings as well. In this case, I'm going to program this part. I only need to cut the slots and the hole at the top. This part has already been cast, so I'm going to be receiving the casting, and that will be my stock. Here's an example of what the part will look like when it gets back to me before machining. I'm going to leverage this as stock in my program. Back to the part I need to machine. I'm going to go ahead and set up the stock. Right-clicking on the stock manager, I can edit the definition. And in this case, the default is bounding box. I'm going to go all the way over to the right and select part file. This allows me two separate options. The first is that I can use the current part and a different configuration like stock, for instance, or I can hit select part. I can then hit the three dots and browse for a file. In this case, I'm going to select the stock part that I already have saved. Select open, and we can see that that part comes in, and now I have accurate stock based on the casting that I received back. Thanks for watching our video. For more information, scan the QR code or click the link in the description.